Oh, hello everyone. You've caught me doing my favourite thing today, grouting. What do you think of this Flamboyance of Flamingos? They first appeared in the 2019 calendar, which means they were made in 2018, 5 years ago. And I'm pretty unashamed of repeating myself because the great artists did that too. I mean, famously Picasso, Van Gogh painted the sunflowers 3 times, Monet and his water lilies, and so on. And these sold before I'd finished the Mosaics, so I didn't get to enjoy them. And so I've made them again. This time as a frieze. I'm really keen on friezes because a lot of people say they don't have any room in their house for any more work. To which I respond, well, have you got a door in your house? Because if you've got doors in your house, then you can put a frieze above them. See, it's clever, eh? Anyway, here I am. They're all repeating themselves, and that's the joke of it, really. I think it's a really lovely one, don't you?